Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Rainbow Six Siege and you keep getting this error removed from match with this error code, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying disallowed program in your Rainbow Six Siege easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu and you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here services.msc, and here you're going to search for the service called Battle service. So just click onto any service, press B on your keyboard. Here it is, right click on it, go into properties, and then here you're going to make sure this startup type is set to automatic. After that, click start and then go into recovery. And here you need to select restart the service on all three of these options. And after that, set restart service after 0 minutes and then click apply and then OK. After that, go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Rainbow Six Siege, you'll see that your game will now work correctly and you will not get that removed from match error anymore. So the ages guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.